So I made a video 2 weeks ago regarding the student loan forgiveness program that is ongoing. It was just a short, and so many people reached out and wanting to know more about it. And I remember I said that at that point I couldn't really share as much as I would love to because I don't have the full context and I don't want to share half-baked information. The good news is that today I have something more substantial for you regarding the ongoing student loan forgiveness program, which I would love that at the end of this video, please take action immediately. Hi everyone, this is Karen Fomafung, your Agile Evangelist, and welcome back to our channel where we consistently share different ways to help especially our minority community get better in whatever they are looking to do and upskill. Focusing on agile project management, we've been able to help thousands of people successfully transition into the agile project management career space, either as a Scrum Master, a project manager, a product owner, a release trained engineer, an Agile Coach. So if you are interested in learning more about what we do offer, please visit our website at beingagileconsulting.com or give us a call or send us an email at info@beingagileconsulting.com and we will be more than happy to help you. Now, let's get started about the ongoing student loan forgiveness program. I know at least 2 people that are very close to me who have benefited from this program. I know a person who had a student loan of $250,000. It was all forgiven, or it has been 100% forgiven, and they even had to give that person a refund of $1,800. I also know another person who had a loan of $80,000 and it has been completely waived. So, are you interested in benefiting from this program? Then please stay tuned. Let us deep dive into how you should go about trying it out for yourself and see what comes out of it. So, I actually had an interview with these 2 people. All of the information that I'll be sharing here today, I actually gathered this information from them firsthand, and that is why I'm bringing it to you, because it is 100% reliable and authentic. You all know me. I've been in this space for a while now, and if I'm bringing any information here, it has been validated. I wouldn't just bring things here based on assumptions. I don't do that. So if you are in the USA, right, and you have student loans going on, you want to be debt free, these are some of the things that you should try to get your student loan forgiven, per the story shared to me by these 2 specific close people of mine. So I'm just going to say it from a story perspective. So this is what one of them told me. When the president of the United States announced this whole student loan forgiveness program that will kick off, I think that was sometimes around last year. When this was announced, my sister, she applied to get her student loans forgiven. After a while, she got a response from them rejecting her application, saying that she didn't qualify. And then what she did, because she owed approximately $80,000 and she has never paid a dime. She has never paid anything. She has never attempted to pay, as a matter of fact, because she didn't have the money to pay off the student loan. So when they did that, when they rejected her application, she went into her student loan provider portal. I think that particular student loan provider portal, what's that name? What's the name of that organization? I think it's I forgot. So figure out who your student loan provider is. Log into your student loan provider portal, right? When she logged into the student loan provider portal, she actually applied that they should cut down the monthly payments that they had previously established for her. So she couldn't afford it. So because she's not doing anything with the degree, by the way, she's not able to even use the degree for anything. She's been trying to apply for a job when she finished school for that particular thing, they wouldn't give her a job, so she didn't have the money to pay. So she requested for her student loan monthly payments to be reduced. She submitted that application, so that's what she actually submitted. And then that took up until that is from when she applied, when Biden actually announced this, up until 1 month ago when this happened, when they finally forgave her loan. That was it. When she applied for her loan payment to be reduced, it took over a year altogether. And then one fateful day, that was about last month, she got a notification in her email from her student loan provider organization saying that all of her student loans have been forgiven. Her balance owed is $0,000. That was like a shock. She quickly jumped into her student loan provider portal to verify if this is even true. It's still saying $0,000. That is to the best of our understanding. Now, the other person whose student loan of $250,000 was forgiven, these are the things she told me that you need to, you have to meet the criteria that you have to meet to be considered. The first thing is that you have to apply through your student loan provider portal. Go in there and apply. And some of the criteria of qualification is, number one, if you have made approximately 20 payments so far, you stand a high chance to be considered. The second one is if you have been working for non-profit organizations. So you see why it's good to be good? It's good to be good. This is not only in the Bible. Naturally, it's good to be good. So if you have been rendering your services to non-profit organizations, you stand a high chance to be considered. The third criteria is if you have been doing volunteering activities. If you've accumulated any time towards volunteering activities, you stand a high chance to be considered. Again, it's good to be good. And the other criteria is if you are within the minimum wage of USA. I think now it's $64,000 and below. Yeah, if you earn approximately $64,000 and below yearly or annually, you stand a high chance to qualify. If you it's a boy. If you have been in the military, or you have any family member that is in the military, just carry your rasta and disappear. So if you are in the military, or you have any family member in the military, you also stand a high chance to qualify. So these are the criteria that you have to meet to be able to get your student loan forgiven. Now, the most important thing I want to say here today is, in the whole process, you have to exercise patience, because these two people that I know, they didn't just try to apply one time and then they were rejected and then they moved on. No, it didn't happen like that. They were persistent. I think they applied at least one person applied 3 times, the other person applied 4 times. They were all rejected all of the times. They continued to apply, you see, and then eventually they were considered, and all of their loans were waived. So please make sure that in the process you are patient. And most importantly, you need to even start by taking action, because it's not about you getting the information, it's about you using the information, doing something with the information. If you don't take action, nothing will happen. So please make sure that at the end of this video, jump into your student loan forgiveness portal and just try and see what comes out of it. And in all, make sure you commit it spiritually. Pray about it. That's for me. I don't know about you, but I would pray about it if I were you. And then you take all these actions, and then hopefully something comes out of it. Now, once you finally get that student loan forgiven, you come here on this platform and pay your tithes. You owe me your tithes, so come here and pay them. Okay, that's gonna be it for today. If you have questions, I would be more than happy to answer. Put the questions in the comment section, and if you want me to add more context about anything specific regarding the student loan program, please put the questions there. To the best of my ability, I will come here and share as I know. Again, I just want to put a serious disclaimer. I don't work for no student loan body. I don't work for the government. I don't work for any of that. So this information is at your discretion to use or not. Thank you so much and have an amazing rest of your day. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.